Meet the new Strike from Lightning Kayaks. The Strike is sleek, fast, and ridiculously stable. She's the perfect vessel for exploring new water, spending time with the family, bird watching, photography, a quick morning workout, or a day of fishing. The Freedom Drive generates efficient forward propulsion, and anyone can do it with zero experience. Turning is as simple as a flick of the wrist, and the rudder stows into a recess in the hull to prevent damage. The seat can easily be changed between a high position for a better vantage point or one of two low positions for a lower center of gravity and increased stability. The Strike is rigged to the hilt. A large rear tank well and two storage hatches give you tons of rooms to bring fishing gear, picnic supplies, camping gear, and more. A universal track system lets you mount all kinds of accessories to enhance your time on the water. If you do want to switch it up and get a back workout in, the Strike's hull design also handles beautifully when paddled. We knew we wanted to build this boat right here in the US, and we needed a partner who understood the industry and all the technicalities that go into molding the perfect kayak. Mike and his company have been making canoes and kayaks for over 40 years. We can't really pronounce Mike's last name, so we just call him Mike.
Hi, I'm Mike.
Hi, Mike. We dreamt of building the ultimate kayaking experience at a price people can actually afford. And in the end, all of our sweat equity paid off. The design is finalized, the prototypes have been put through the paces, and the finishing touches are almost in place. All we need is you to bring this project to life. With your support, we can order more materials, begin the production process, and bring the magic of walking on water to the masses. A storm is brewing, and adventure awaits.